We have successfully created our first custom symbol in this series of videos. So what we need to do is click up here so we select this entire object, and you can see from this object it's an instance of a symbol, and the symbol's name Starburst01. Let's break the link to the symbol. And if we click away and then click anywhere on any line, you see this is still grouped. So right click on one of the paths and click ungroup. And if you click away and click again, you're going to discover it's still grouped. So right click on any path and click ungroup. Now, if you select any path, only that path is selected. So if we select all these paths, we can hit Command A, we can draw a rectangle around it, we can click on the meatball right there in order to select everything on that layer. I want to deselect this vertical stroke right here. Hold down Shift and then click on that path. Then hit Delete. Everything except this single stroke right here, a 1 pixel wide stroke, is gone. We have this one stroke left. Let's click on the width tool. Now the width tool is sitting right here. And if we click on it, come up and roll over the path somewhere up near the upper 2/3. Click and drag horizontally just a touch. There we go. And we make this very strange shape, kind of a, an oblong arrow. Who knows what this is? Make sure it's selected, and it is. Get the rotate tool, bring it on out, find the intersection, hold down Option, right on the intersect, click while holding Option. Our same 5 degrees, we can click Copy. Now, why didn't that work? Let's check this out. I think we need to reset. That looks like a bug in the new version. So let's come here, Option click again with this selected. Now we're cooking. Now we click Copy. Who knows why that didn't work? And then Command D, right? Command D, and then hold down D until you make it all the way around. Actually, just a little short. Stop short, and then hit Command D and let go of D till you come right up on it. And you see now we've got this different type of sunburst which is actually a little bit more interesting. So if we select everything on that by clicking on the meatball over here, see the cursor? See the cursor's moving over to this little circle which selects everything right there. We can drag this over till you get the little plus sign inside the symbols palette, and we'll call it Starburst 02. Now we can make symbol after symbol after symbol. It doesn't have to be a stroke. It can be a it can be a shape. It can be a collection of shapes. It can be all kinds of stuff. There are so many different things. Let's come over to the Finder, and I'm going to have a whole bunch of windows open, but I want to show you this. I'm going to hold down Option and click on the Close button, which will close them all, and then Option Command H, which takes us to the desktop, and I got to get rid of that. But see this right here? This is just these two shapes and this shape, and then repeated all the way around. This is how you do this. I want you to think outside the box and start creating different symbols that are based on a 360-degree rotation. How far apart they are, that's up to you. But come up with all kinds of different variations on this theme, because there are so many cool symbols that we can make. And all it takes is your imagination.